The shelter saved him from the wind. The fire saved him from the night. But neither could fill an empty stomach. Today, hunger will force him into the snow. In the Ice Age, a full camp meant nothing if food was gone by morning. Every step into deep snow burns heat, so every wrong step matters. He digs for roots with frozen hands, because even a small mouthful can keep him moving. When the first snare fails, it still teaches him where the animal refused to go. A trap is not luck. It is a guess about how an animal wants to move. Cold punishes the hands first. A slipping knot can cost a meal. Then the pace changes. The hunt is no longer waiting. He does not chase for speed. He chases to turn the animal toward a mistake. Deep drifts slow both bodies, but the human can choose the ground. One short burst, one narrow gap, one chance. The prize is small, but in a winter like this, small is enough to matter. Hide, marrow, fat, meat. Nothing could be wasted. Ancient survival was not built on perfect victories. It was built on using everything. A weak fire could cook a meal. A steady fire could protect tomorrow. Now the reward arrives. Heat, fat, and the first real food in days. He does not eat like a feast is coming. He eats like winter is still watching. One meal restores movement. It does not end hunger. So he saves what he can, because the cold always asks again. The hare kept him alive for one more day, but a bigger hunt is already calling. Food, fire, and shelter are never separate. Each one protects the others. Tonight he has meat. Tomorrow he may need strength. Ancient survival did not reward comfort. It rewarded readiness. The tracks outside the shelter promise risk, but they also promise a future.